25th, 2011 at 17:34 hours. And Sikasu had a lot of angst caused by a particular old Ethernet card. It was like a 2-base. And we're going to blow that up now because he asked us, because we love Nebraska. So we're taking it up to a full maximum charge of 1800 volts. Steve's back. Everything cool? We're live on the stream? All right, hearing protection. Who wants to push the button? You can if you want. You want to push the button?
Sure.
Ready? It's not going to work till I hit the button. Here.
Huh?
You ready?
Yep.
Okay. Go! Broke the big red button.
Big red's outside.
Down.
Oh my God.
Broke the big... There you have it. Glenn Lesige broke the big red button of science. You broke it. There's like parts rattling around inside.
I broke it good.
Wow. We've had that I've had 12-year-olds jump up and down on that thing. You broke the button.
He was jumping like a 12-year-old up and down on the thing.
He's had this fat ass jumping up and down. No, let's not see what it did to the car. It's okay, we got
Love that button. That's old. That's like Bakelite. Look at that.
That is
It's a good button. I love that button.
the Massachusetts chapter ceases to exist today.
No more chapter. We're on our own.
Let's look at the card.
Come on over here and hold this wire.
On another note, yeah, let's go.